Alright, in this video we're going to work out how to determine the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in any element in the periodic table. As you can see here on the screen, we have just a zoomed in top bit of the periodic table that goes up to krypton, the 36th element. Now you should remember that the atomic number tells us how many protons and or how many electrons are present in an atom. So for example, hydrogen is atomic number 1. So that means it has 1 proton and 1 electron. Helium is atomic number 2, so that means it has 2 protons and 2 electrons. Now you can see on these that there is also another number down the bottom. Hydrogen it's 1, for helium it's 4. This number is the mass number. The mass number is the sum of the protons and the neutrons which are present. So if you want to work out how many neutrons are present, you need to do the mass number minus the atomic number. So for hydrogen, the mass number is 1. We can round up to the nearest whole number. So if there is 1 proton and the mass number is 1, that means that hydrogen has no neutrons. For helium, the mass number is 4. Again, rounding up to the nearest whole number. So if the mass number is 4, this is the sum of the protons and the neutrons. So there are 2 protons, so if we do 4 take 2, we end up with 2 neutrons. So let's have a look at beryllium. So the first thing you need to do is find beryllium's number in the periodic table. Beryllium is number 4. This number tells us, well, this number is the atomic number, so beryllium's atomic number is 4. This number tells us how many protons are present. So beryllium has 4 protons in the nucleus. This also tells us how many electrons are in the atom. So the electrons are on the outside of the nucleus. So if there are 4 protons, there must be 4 electrons to make a neutral atom. Beryllium's mass number is the number down the bottom, and we're going to round it off. Okay, and we're rounding it off to 9. So beryllium's mass number is 9. Now to find the number of neutrons, we will take the mass number, which was 9, and we will minus the atomic number, or the place in the periodic table, which was 4. And we get an answer of 5. This means that beryllium has 5 neutrons in the nucleus with the 4 protons. Thanks for watching.